Looking for a simple and, of course, delicious snack item recipe to make in your very own kitchen? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a perfect recipe for you with lemon cream cheese cookies. So let's get started. Next up, the wet ingredients. Butter makes everything taste better. Full-fat cream cheese works best. Fresh lemon juice is always best. Next up, the dry ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Cream cheese evolved from European soft cheeses like Neuchâtel, dating back to around 1035 CE. German immigrants who settled in New York introduced cream cheese to the United States in the late 19th century. Today, cream cheese is a popular worldwide ingredient used in both sweet and savory foods, from bagels to cheesecakes. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Made with cream cheese for an ultra soft texture and fresh lemon zest and lemon juice for a bright citrus flavor. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a new go-to snack you can make at home. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.